Alright, next we want to create notches for the front and back sleeve as well as the armhole. To do so, first we want to clean up the pattern. I'm going to unlock the baseline and use this edit pattern tool. Let's begin by cleaning up the line that we don't need. For example, we do need this neckline, bust circumference, waist circumference, and so on. Some line we need as a guideline, but some we don't. The same as here. And we will extend this line here as well as shrink these because we want them to fit to the pattern. Alright, now we're going to remove some of these lines that we don't need at all. Okay, also this line. Now the pattern looks pretty good. I'm going to lock this baseline back, okay? Alright, after that we are going to create notches. I will use this notch tool. Begin, hover the mouse over that line, right click, and I'm going to type in 9 centimeter. Click on OK to confirm. The same with here, 9 centimeter. Click on OK. And right here we create two notches, 11 and 9. So hover the mouse over here, right click. I'm going to type in 11, click on OK, and then once again, this one going to be 9. And the same right here, 11, click on OK, and here going to be 9. That is perfect. So now we finished create notches. Next, we want to place the pattern onto the avatar and so on. Alright, before we're going to do that though, one more thing. We want to extend this 1 centimeter for the front pattern. I will come over here to this edit pattern tool here, click 1 on the bottom part, right click, and I'm going to select offset pattern outline. So by default I have direction is extend, and I'm going to change the value to 1 here. Next I'm going to change this size segment type to extend here, and after that I'm going to click on OK. So we want to remove 2 points. This point here, click on it, press on the delete or backspace on the keyboard to remove, and this point here. Next we want to turn this to curve. I will use this edit curvature tool here. Simply click and then drag it down. Just a slight curve would do. Just like that.